Dear students, previous class we have studied about the biomolecules in that structure of protein. Now we will move for the last part of respective chapter, that is nucleic acid. What is the meaning of nucleic acid? What are the characteristic features of respective nucleic acid? You know that some basic concept. Okay, what is that? ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ದಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೀಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ಏನು ಅಪ್ಪನಿಂದ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಜ್ಜನಿಂದ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲಿ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎನ್ ಹೆರಿಡಿಟಿ. Heredity means what? Transmission of inherited characteristic features from the parents. Okay, so that are called as an heredity. Characteristic feature carry ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಹೆರಿಡಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ nucleic acid? Okay, nucleic acids are made by the sum of the proteins and other biomolecules. Okay, some of the proteins and other biomolecules. Other biomolecules may be pentose sugars, nitrogenous bases, like that. Okay, that are all comes under in a nucleic acid. And in a nucleic acid, majorly two types of nucleic acids are present. One is DNA. One is DNA and another one RNA. What is that DNA and RNA? DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA for ribonucleic acid. DNA and RNA, two types of nucleic acid. And what are the compositions present in a respective DNA and RNA? Okay, athwa you can generally call nucleic acid. In a nucleic acid, there are three major component or chemical compositions are there in a DNA and RNA. What is that? One is sugar moiety. Sugar moiety in the sense what? That may be a carbohydrate. That may be a carbohydrate. And this sugar moiety, that should be a pentose sugar. That is pentose sugar, and that particularly called as a ribose sugar. Ribose sugar. What is the structure of that ribose sugar? That should be a 5-membered ring. Okay, 5-membered ring. Pentose sugar, there are 5 carbon atom, 1 2 3 4 and one more 5. Okay, CH2OH, CH2OH here, and this should be an beta form. Okay, alpha form ಮತ್ತೆ beta form ಇದೆ. beta form ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ OH present at the upper face ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ಲೇನಿನ ಅಬವ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, and next OH groups are present like this. Okay, now here DNA refers to deoxyribonucleic acid. Ribose sugar is present. One of the OH group, one of the hydrogen or sorry oxygen is missing. Which oxygen is missing? Second carbon oxygen is missing. Instead of OH, hydrogen you should write. Now this is the sugar moiety present in a DNA. Okay, that is beta deoxyribose. Okay, this is about beta deoxy. D means less. Okay, kadime ide anta. So yavrali second carbon. Ade RNA alli there should be ribonucleic acid and OH group present as it is in the second carbon. Now we have 1 carbon, 2 3 4 and 5th carbon. Okay, so in the second carbon OH group idre, that is ribose sugar. DNA ಅಲ್ಲಿ OH group ಇರಲ್ಲ, only hydrogen, that is deoxyribose sugar. Then one more chemical composition, that is phosphoric acid. What is the chemical formula of phosphoric acid? H3PO4. H3PO4, or you can write phosphorus is a central atom, double bond O, OH, OH, OH. Now it is an phosphoric acid group. Okay, and one more, nitrogenous bases. What is the meaning of nitrogenous bases? Nitrogenous bases are nothing but these are all heterocyclic compound. Heterocyclic compound, nitrogenous bases, heterocyclic compound, and that should having the nitrogen, that are nitrogenous bases. Okay, so 3 kinds of chemical present in a DNA and RNA. Sugar moiety should be ribose sugar, that may be beta deoxyribose sugar for DNA, ribose sugar for RNA. I will write the ribose sugar unit also here. Beta form, OH group at the top, here hydrogen, OH present here, hydrogen OH, CH2 OH here, hydrogen. Okay, now here OH group present idre, that's responsible for RNA. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ instead of oxygen, that's for DNA. Okay, this is about the chemical composition present in a DNA and RNA. And in a DNA sugar moiety already wrote, what is that? Beta 2 deoxy, beta 2 deoxyribose sugar moiety, beta 2 deoxyribose, 2 refers to second carbon. Okay, and RNA generally write beta ribose sugar, beta D ribose. Okay, you can write D sugar dextrorotatory, so D beta D to deoxyribose or beta D ribose. Okay, so nitrogenous bases, which are the nitrogenous bases? Nitrogenous bases are nothing but heterocyclic compound which containing the nitrogens. Now here there are 4 kinds of nitrogen bases are present in a DNA. In the DNA, that is adenine. Okay, that's the first nitrogenous bases, and second one guanine. Okay, third one cytosine, and the fourth one is thymine. That is in DNA. This may ask for 2 mark question. Write the nitrogenous bases present in a what DNA. DNA adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. Or you can write A G C T. Okay, A G C T. Hagadre, what is the nitrogenous bases present in a RNA? Now it is for DNA. RNA ಏನು, first 3 are same. Adenine, guanine and cytosines are same as in the RNA also, instead of thymine. Okay, thymine ಬದಲಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದು replace ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, that is uracil moiety. Okay, so in a RNA we can write adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine, and instead of thymine we should write uracil. Okay, uracil. And this also may ask for the 1 mark question. What is that? Write the nitrogenous base present in a RNA, not in a DNA. You should write uracil moiety, that is U. Okay, this is about the chemical composition present in a DNA, RNA. Okay, now next we'll move for the structure of respective nucleic acid. Structure of respective nucleic acid. Okay, now see in this, you know that what is that? That containing the 3 kinds of chemical present in a DNA and RNA, which are the sugar moiety, pentose sugar, one more phosphoric acid and nitrogenous bases. In that, the first structure na explain ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. One is major nucleosides. What are the nucleosides? Nucleosides are nothing but a composition of nitrogenous base with the pentose sugar. Okay, in that nitrogenous base, which is that anyways, okay, structures are given in a textbook, but structure ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. Here base, I will write base as it is. So where the base will attach to the pentose sugar. Now tell me whether it is ribose sugar or DNA sugar moiety. That should be in RNA sugar moiety because OH group is present. Okay, DNA ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. That is for DNA, and this for RNA, this for DNA. Okay, so where the nitrogenous base will attach the first carbon. Okay, now I'll give the number 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash and 5 dash. Okay, so in the nitrogenous bases or nucleosides means it's a combination of sugar moiety with the base, where that two are bonded. C1 carbon atom of a sugar moiety bonded with the nitrogenous bases. Here there is an elimination reaction will take place or addition reaction, that is base molecule attached here. Okay, that is what nucleosides. They may ask for 1 more question. What is that? What is nucleoside? You should write is the combination of base with the sugar moiety. RNA adre you should write OH here, DNA adre you should write H only. That is about the nucleosides. Next is nucleotides. So here what it is? It is an nucleosides. Nucleosides. side. These nucleosides will bonded with the phosphoric acid. All three should be present. Okay, now base is there, that at the first carbon atom C1 2 3 4 5. Okay, or you can take dashes. Okay, here what is the base mate sugar moiety combine agide nucleoside. When this sugar moiety bonded with the phosphoric acid, which carbon atom will undergo bonded with the phosphoric acid? There are fifth carbon atom and there oxygen is present. This should be highly active. This will bonded with this and there is an elimination of water molecule will takes place and the formation of these two combination will produce the nucleotides. So nucleotides are nothing but nucleoside with the phosphoric acid bond, or you can write the sugar moiety nitrogenous base with the phosphoric acid, where that two are bonded. That should take place between the C5 carbon atom of sugar moiety with the phosphoric acid. Now I will write here phosphoric acid, P double bond O and one more oxygen minus here O CH2 oxygen, here base nitrogenous base OH hydrogen. This is about the charges na hage baribeku. This is about the nucleotides. Nucleotides yellow kuda irbeku, sugar, pentose sugar, phosphoric acid, pentose sugar and the base. All three are present in a one nucleotides. Okay, so this is about nucleotides. Then we'll move for the combination of two more or more than one nucleotides combination agbeku, where it will be bound. Okay, so here nucleic acid is a chain. In that, what is that? All sugar moiety, pentose sugar moiety, base and phosphoric acid all are present. Okay, here I will took one of the nucleotide which would be bonded with the another one nucleotide, and here where the bond will attack. Here it's an RNA molecule where that here oxygen present in a phosphoric acid highly active, and here third carbon is free now and second carbon also present, but in a nucleotides and RNA DNA alli bandre third carbon alli oxygen is present, that should be highly active. So this is bonded with the phosphoric acid. The formation of new set of bond between the phosphoric acid and the C3 carbon atom. Okay, C3 carbon atom. So in a C5 there is some phosphoric group and C3 of another nucleotides. It will form a phosphodiester bond. Okay, so here write P double bond O minus CH2 O. Here base is present, right as it is. Here OH is present and the new bond formed between the carbon 3 and the phosphoric acid athwa carbon 5 aliruvanta phosphoric acid. You should write O here, P double bond O minus, okay, one more CH2, here base OH, here OH is present. Idradu ಏನು changes ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದರ ಜೊತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ that are comes in a what? Phosphodiester bond. So this bond we can call as an phosphodiester bond. This may ask for one more question. What is phosphodiester bond? Between the two nucleotides, or nucleotides are joined together by then bond. That bond particularly called as an phosphodiester bond or phosphodiester linkage. So between which carbonate? So C5 dash and C3 dash of second nucleotide will form a phosphodiester bond. And they may ask one more question. What is that? How many phosphodiester bond present between the three nucleotides? You should write 2. Okay, 3 nucleotide idre 2 phosphodiester bond present idre, 2 nucleotide idre only 1 phosphodiester bonds are present. Okay, they may ask for definition wise or in a twisted question also. Okay, this is about the structure of respective nucleic acid. Okay, nucleoside, nucleotide, and one more is phosphodiester linkage. Okay, now we will see the how the structure of DNA and RNA is present. Okay, so structure of DNA and RNA is given by the Watson and Crick. Okay, Watson and Crick give the DNA structure. So you know that nucleotide molecule, there are fifth carbon is ended where CH2OH is present. That's we can give as an 5 dash, and here other all are bonded, but in the second nucleotide there is an third carbon is present as it is, or OH idre OH, H idre H, that will given as an 3 minus or 3 dashes. Okay, bere linkages iruttade. So here you can see sugar moiety, there is an ended with the fifth carbon 5 dash carbon, that is CH2OH, that is 5 dash. Okay, rest all are bonded, yellow kuda bond agitade. Ade riti continuation process will take place. There is a repeating unit of what? Sugar moiety, base and phosphoric acid. Okay, so now it is an N, I will take N, and here again sugar moiety is ended. In that there is a third carbon is free. Okay, third carbon is free, that is 3 dash. I took 3 dash. In a Watson and Crick model, if it is an helix model, helix means spiral. Here what is that? If it is started with the 5 dash, top carbon atom 5 dash idre, and they ended with the 3 dash, and this should be combined with the one more nucleotide, that should be an what, like this. Okay, now which is in a reverse manner. If it is start from 5 dash, this will start from the 3 dash and ended with the 5 dash. Why? Because there is a nitrogenous bases are present, adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosines all are present, that will undergoes or that will held together by the hydrogen bonds. If it is one of the nitrogenous bases present, that should be having the hydrogen bond with the one more nitrogenous bases, and that should be particular manner. Okay, adu yavado one particular manner alle present irtade. But here two nucleic acid chains, that nothing but nucleotide chains, are held together by the hydrogen bonds. Why? Because all these adenine, guanine, thymine and cytosines are having the electron rich center of nitrogen along with the electron deficient or hydrogen atoms are present. So between that two, okay, electron rich or more electronegative atom can having the force of attraction with the hydrogen, that will produce the what? Hydrogen bonding. So hydrogen bond ಅಥವಾ hydrogen present ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ these two nucleic acid chains are held together by the hydrogen bonds. And one more, nitrogenous base pairs. Okay, base pairing anta helidre respective nitrogenous bases will bonded with our hydrogen bond with the respective one more what nitrogenous bases. For example, if adenine is present, here see in this nitrogenous base or nucleic acid chain adenine is present, then that should be paired with the thymine only. So now I'll take thymine. Okay, now between these two, how many hydrogen bonds are possible? Only 2 hydrogen bonds are possible. So between these two we can write the 2 bonds like this. Okay, we should write dashed lines because it's a force of attraction. Okay, not a particular bonds, hydrogen bonds, force of attraction between the more electronegative atom with the hydrogen atom. So idu nimage very important. Okay, these are very important. Adenine always bonded with the hydrogen bond with the thymine. You should write A and T are the base pairs. And guanine will bonded with the cytosine with the triple bond or 3 hydrogen bonds are present. In case if you write G here, this should be paired with the C only. Okay, cytosine. So there are 3 hydrogen bonds are possible. You should write like this only. If you write 2 bonds, that should be wrong. Okay, here 3 bonds are possible, 3 hydrogen bonds are possible. This is regarding the what DNA structures. Okay, DNA structures. Okay, double helix model which is given by the Watson and Crick. Now next we'll move for RNA. RNA kuda ide riti base pairings alla irtade, and ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಮಾಯಿಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ RNA there are 3 types of RNAs are possible, that's mRNA, rRNA and tRNA. Okay, mRNA messenger RNA, then transfer RNA and RNA ribosomal RNA. Okay, so this is about the types of RNA. Okay, so mRNA, tRNA, rRNA, they may ask for one more question. Okay, then next we'll move for the biological functions of respective nucleic acid. This is the last part of this chapter. What is that? So just in like uses of or function of the DNA and RNA. So you already know that this is a vehicle of our genetic information carriers. Okay, DNA irbodu, RNA irbodu or nucleic acid. Okay, which reserve with the what genetic information from the parents in the irbodu and all. And one more, DNA is capable for duplications. Okay, and one more is RNA, which is used for the protein synthesis in our body. Okay, we finished entire concept with the biomolecules, that is nucleic acid. Okay, read it once again or watch the videos again and again. Okay, it's little bit easy. Okay, and you will get more marks in this because it's the easiest questions you can ask. Okay, next class we will continue the new topic. Thank you.